Hey, what's up everybody? Long time no see. This is Crycoda from Tuts and this video is essentially going to be about port forwarding because I've been getting a lot of messages and comments on my channel or our channel about like, hey, Sinister Smog, I can't see the globe icon on my on the Teamspeak server. So basically what's happening is when you can't see the globe icon, that means that you're only accepting local connections, and you don't want to accept local connections. You want to accept a WAN connection, which is a wide area network connection. And don't mind the disk space stuff. That is FlashGet. Never mind. I'm downloading something. Anywho, so what you want to do is you have to forward your ports. So this video is going to be an explanation on how to forward ports. It's a very simple process, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. And you would need this for hosting Warcraft 3 servers, Teamspeak servers. You would need this for a lot of things, opening your ports for torrents, things like that. So what you're going to do first, this is the complete simple simplistic way of doing it, okay? Just head over to portforward.com, and right there and then you click on your router, and then you click on the program that you want to forward ports for, and it goes through a whole explanation on how to do it. But since I've been getting a lot of my global show up on the Teamspeak thing, I will explain it specifically for Teamspeak. Okay, so Teamspeak uses 3 ports that we need to forward. They're 8767, 14534, and 51234. I myself use a Linksys router. So this might be different for a lot of you if you don't use a Linksys router, but myself, I use a Linksys router. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to your LAN IP address. An easy way to figure that out is to run command prompt cmd and type in ipconfig, okay? And right there, default gateway, that's what we're going to be putting in to your URL bar in any of your browsers. So go ahead and do that. This is where portforward.com comes in handy, because every single router has a different login that's default. If you haven't changed it already, if you're, I don't know, if your parents changed it or if your brother changed it or whatever, you're gonna need to find that out. But there's always a default login for your specific router. Now mine is admin. So let's just do that. Okay, so here we are at my Linksys router, whatever, configuration, okay? There's a lot of things to go through, but we're not going to need any of these things except for applications and gaming. Now, again, I'm using Linksys router. It will be called something different if you're not using Linksys router. Maybe it's called the same thing, maybe it's not. You're going to have to check that on portforward.com, but for now, it's called application and gaming, so we're just going to stick with that. So here's the port forward window. Now, as you can see, I've forwarded a lot of ports already, but just don't worry about those. We're gonna forward the Teamspeak ports right now. Okay, so we have 2 port windows to fill in. For Teamspeak, we have 3 ports. So we're gonna need 3 of these spaces, and both of these boxes will be the same. They won't be anything different. What those allow you to do is do a range of ports, but we're not going to need to worry about that at all. And then we're going to have the protocol, which is UDP, TCP, or both, okay? Usually you can just go straight ahead and go both, but sometimes it's better to just do a specific one depending on which port it is, and portforward.com will tell you all of that, okay? And then there's the to IP address, which is basically your LAN IP address specific to your computer. Now, remember earlier when I said go to command prompt? Command CMD, just type CMD in the run in your start menu. And ipconfig. See where it says IPv4 address? That might be called something different on your computer, but as long as you see your LAN IP address, and then at the end of it there's the 101 or 102 or 100 or 111, you know, whatever, as long as you see on 100 something number, then that is going to be the IP address you're going to use. So save that IP address, okay? Mine is 101, as you can see, and on my forward ports it's 101 also. So now, just to cut this off really short and simple, Teamspeak uses 3 ports, remember? 8767. Fill that in both of them, both of the slots, okay? I'm just going to do both because honestly that's the easiest way to do it, okay? It uses 14534. That is for the admin panel of Teamspeak, okay? Again, just going to do both. It's the easiest way. And 51234. 51234. Both, again. And as you can see, my IP address is 101. So I filled in 101 right there. Okay? Make sure it's checked to enabled. And that's it. Save the settings. And boom, you're done. You'll see the globe icon on your Teamspeak. You'll be able to host Warcraft 3 servers. Anything you want. Have fun. This is Crycoda from Toys R Us. Peace out.